Chosen ones, finally you won. Heaven is sending your lifetime partner. The name is, my beloved child, listen carefully, because what I am about to reveal will touch the deepest part of your heart and change the way you see your future forever. You cried in silence for years, wondering why love kept passing you by, while others found happiness so easily. But heaven was never ignoring you. I was protecting your heart from people who would have destroyed your peace, delayed your purpose, and drained your spirit. The waiting season is ending now, and if you leave before hearing this completely, you may miss the confirmation you begged me for during your darkest nights. The person I am sending into your life is not temporary, not confusing, and not sent to break you. This is the lifetime partner I prepared while you were fighting battles nobody else understood. Type Amen to affirm. I know how many times you asked why relationships kept collapsing just when you started believing again. I saw every tear you hid behind fake smiles, and I heard every prayer you whispered while feeling unwanted and forgotten. But I need you to understand something today. You did not lose those people because you were unworthy. You lost them because they were never written into the future I designed for you. The partner I am sending now carries peace instead of confusion, loyalty instead of betrayal, and genuine love instead of empty promises. You are entering a season where emotional exhaustion will finally leave your soul. The loneliness that once followed you into every room is beginning to break apart because heaven has already started moving events behind the scenes. The connection coming into your life will feel different from the beginning. There will be calmness where there used to be anxiety, honesty where there used to be manipulation, and safety where there used to be fear. This is why I told you not to settle for temporary comfort. I was preparing something eternal for you. Before this continues, take one moment and gently press the like button as an act of faith that your season of love, healing, and restoration has truly begun. My child, the enemy tried to convince you that you would always be alone. He wanted you to believe that heartbreak was your destiny and disappointment would follow you forever. But the lies spoken over your life are breaking today. I am restoring the years your heart spent in pain, and I am sending someone who will recognize your value without you begging for attention. This partner will not treat your kindness as weakness. They will see the strength inside your spirit and honor the calling placed upon your life. There is a reason your spirit has been feeling restless recently. You thought something was wrong, but heaven has been preparing your heart for transition. Some of you have been noticing repeated signs, unusual dreams, sudden emotions, or an unexplainable feeling that change is near. That feeling is not your imagination. I have already aligned certain paths and conversations that will lead you toward the person connected to your destiny. Nothing about this meeting will happen by accident. I want you to stop believing you are too damaged to be loved deeply. The pain you survived did not make you less valuable. It made you wiser, stronger, and spiritually sharper. The right person will not run from your scars because they will understand the battles behind them. They will not punish you for being careful with your heart. Instead, they will protect the parts of you that previous people ignored and abused. Some of you are still carrying memories of betrayal that happened years ago. Even now, you replay certain moments and wonder why people who promised forever disappeared without warning. But I tell you this with love: stop mourning what I removed from your life. If they truly belonged in your destiny, they would have stayed through every storm. The person coming now is different because they are arriving with spiritual purpose, emotional maturity, and divine timing. Type 1111 if you believe. My beloved child, your future partner has also suffered. They know what rejection feels like. They know the pain of praying for real love while meeting disappointment after disappointment. This is why your connection will carry unusual understanding from the beginning. Both of you have been shaped by difficult seasons, and both of you learned how precious genuine love truly is. When heaven joins two wounded hearts that remained faithful despite suffering, a powerful union is created. I need you to prepare emotionally for what is coming, because this blessing may arrive faster than you expect. Some of you will meet this person through an unexpected conversation, a sudden invitation, work, travel, family connections, or even during a moment when you had stopped searching completely. You will not need to force the relationship to grow. It will unfold naturally because I will be at the center of it. Where my presence exists, peace follows. The name connected to your future is already circulating around your environment, even if you do not recognize it yet. Some of you have already heard this person's name in passing conversations without realizing its importance. Others will encounter repeated initials, repeated locations, or repeated encounters that slowly pull two paths together. Heaven often whispers before it reveals fully. Pay attention to the peace inside your spirit instead of chasing external appearances. The person I am sending carries depth, sincerity, and emotional stability. Your waiting season was never punishment. It was preparation. If I had sent this partner earlier, both of you would have met before healing properly, and the relationship could have collapsed under emotional wounds. Timing matters deeply in spiritual connections. I needed both hearts to mature before bringing them together. What is coming now has the strength to survive pressure, hardship, misunderstandings, and outside interference, because I built its foundation myself. What is really behind the 7-second brain technique that is creating new millionaires? A surprising CIA leak has revealed a short brain ritual that is helping normal people erase debt and attract serious wealth. With validation from 4 neuroscience labs, this at-home method is turning financial stress into a better life. Homes, cars, and vacations are becoming reality. But the government could remove this at any time. Click the link in the description and comments before it is deleted. I know there were nights when you almost gave up on love completely. You told yourself you no longer cared because disappointment hurt too much. But even while you were speaking those words, your soul still desired companionship, affection, loyalty, and peace. I created human hearts with the need for connection. There is nothing weak about wanting genuine love. The weakness only comes when people chase unhealthy attachments instead of waiting for divine alignment. Your future partner will not compete with you. They will support your purpose. They will celebrate your growth instead of becoming threatened by it. Some people entered your life only to distract you from your destiny, but this person will push you closer toward the plans I prepared for you. Together, both of you will build stability, encouragement, spiritual growth, and emotional safety. The relationship will not be perfect every day, but it will be real, honest, and protected by my hand. My child, stop speaking negatively over your future. Stop saying nobody good exists anymore. Stop believing your story will end in loneliness, because heaven already wrote a different ending for you. I am still the God who restores broken hearts, opens impossible doors, and creates miracles when hope feels dead. The love story approaching your life will remind you why every painful ending had to happen. One faithful moment with the right person can heal years of sorrow. You are not forgotten, you are not abandoned, and you are certainly not too late. What I promised you is still alive, and the season of emotional restoration has already begun moving toward your doorstep. The connection coming into your life will not feel like the relationships that drained your energy and left you questioning your worth. This time, you will notice peace before passion and trust before attachment. That is how you will know, my hand is involved. The enemy often sends confusion disguised as excitement, but I send clarity that calms the soul. The person I am preparing for you will not awaken constant fear inside your spirit. Instead, their presence will slowly heal the parts of you that learn to expect disappointment from everyone. Many people around you never understood how much pain you carried quietly. They saw your smile, but did not see the battles happening inside your heart every night. Some of you became strong only because life gave you no other choice. You learned how to survive rejection, betrayal, abandonment, and emotional exhaustion while still remaining kind to others. But now I tell you something important. Your season of only surviving is ending, and your season of receiving is beginning. Type 777 if you trust in Jesus. My beloved child, there are people who walked away from you because they could not recognize your value at the time. They were too distracted by temporary things to understand the depth of your spirit. Do not allow their blindness to shape how you see yourself. A person's inability to appreciate your heart does not reduce the beauty I placed inside you. The partner coming into your life will recognize your worth without you needing to prove yourself constantly. They will love the real you instead of the version people tried to force you to become. I know some of you became afraid of attachment because every previous connection eventually brought pain. You started guarding your emotions carefully because disappointment became familiar. But I am asking you now to let me heal those fears slowly. Not every person who enters your life is sent to hurt you. Some people are sent to restore your faith in love, loyalty, and companionship again. The person coming now carries healing, not destruction. There were moments when you felt forgotten while watching others build relationships, marriages, and families around you. Deep inside, you wondered if your blessing had somehow passed you by. But heaven does not work according to human timelines. I needed to protect you from entering covenant with people who were emotionally immature, spiritually unstable, or secretly connected to your downfall. Delayed blessings are often protected blessings. What arrives at the correct time carries peace that rushed relationships can never produce. Your future partner has been through battles too. They understand disappointment, loneliness, and emotional scars in ways other people never could. This is why your connection will feel unusually deep from the beginning. Both of you will recognize something familiar inside each other's spirit. It will not simply be attraction. It will feel like two people who survived storms finally finding shelter together after years of emotional wandering. That kind of connection cannot be created by manipulation because it is formed through divine timing. Some of you keep asking me for signs about this relationship, and I have already been speaking in small ways. Certain songs, repeated thoughts, dreams, unusual peace, or sudden hope appearing in moments of sadness are not random. Heaven often whispers before major changes arrive. The spiritual atmosphere around your life is shifting because your emotional season is changing. What once brought tears will soon become testimony. There is also something important I need you to understand. Your future partner will not be perfect, because perfection belongs only to me. There will still be moments requiring patience, communication, and understanding. But unlike past relationships, this connection will not constantly leave you emotionally starving. You will feel heard, respected, appreciated, and emotionally safe. Real love does not leave a person begging endlessly for consistency. Type 222 to receive blessings. My child, some of you almost settled for relationships that would have destroyed your peace permanently. You were seconds away from committing your future to people who carried hidden intentions and unstable spirits. That is why I allowed certain separations to happen, even when they hurt deeply. You cried because you thought you lost love, but in reality, I was rescuing your destiny. One wrong relationship can delay purpose for years. Never mistake divine protection for rejection. Is it time to try the same CIA secret ritual that is changing lives in seconds? A newly leaked CIA-backed study reveals a 7-second money ritual that is transforming people overnight. Scientifically proven by 4 neuroscience labs, it retrains your mind to attract money naturally. People who were once broke are now enjoying luxury homes, new cars, and travel. But this secret may not stay online much longer. Click the description and comments now before it is removed. The person I am sending into your life will help strengthen your confidence instead of tearing it down. They will encourage your dreams, speak life into your spirit, and remind you of your worth during difficult moments. You will no longer feel alone while carrying emotional burdens. For the first time in a long time, you will feel supported instead of emotionally exhausted. This relationship will become a place of growth rather than survival. I also need you to release the belief that your age, past mistakes, or emotional history disqualify you from experiencing deep love. Some of you think you missed your opportunity because previous relationships failed or because life did not unfold the way you expected. But I am still writing your story. Human disappointment cannot cancel divine promises. I can restore years of pain within moments when the right people finally enter your life. There are people watching you right now who secretly believe you will never experience lasting happiness. They saw your heartbreaks and assumed your future would always remain unstable. But they do not know what heaven has already prepared behind closed doors. I am about to surprise people who counted you out completely. The same heart that was once rejected will soon become deeply valued by someone who truly sees your spirit. Some of you are about to reconnect with your confidence after years of doubting yourselves. Love has a way of healing hidden wounds when it is rooted in honesty and spiritual peace. The person coming into your life will not make you feel difficult to love. They will not disappear during hard times or punish you emotionally for being vulnerable. Instead, they will bring consistency that calms your nervous system and restores emotional stability inside your soul. I know your patience has been tested severely. There were nights when you prayed with tears because loneliness felt heavier than anyone realized. But every delayed season carried purpose. During the waiting, I was teaching you discernment, strengthening your spirit, and preparing your heart to recognize healthy love when it finally arrived. Had I answered your prayers too early, you may have attached yourself to people who only looked good temporarily while carrying destruction internally. Your testimony will soon change. The same people who once comforted you through heartbreak will witness your restoration. They will see peace on your face again. They will notice emotional light returning to your eyes after years of heaviness. The love entering your life will not simply affect your relationship status, it will affect your emotional health, confidence, spiritual growth, and sense of security. My beloved child, do not sabotage your future blessing because of old fears. When this person arrives, do not push them away simply because previous people betrayed you. Allow yourself to receive what heaven is sending. Trust me enough to believe that healthy love still exists. I did not